Hi, my name is Levon. I'm with Engineers, and this video will show you how to enable motion detection notifications in HikVision NVRs. To do so, please log into your NVR, click Configuration, under Event, click Basic Event, select the camera from the drop-down list, make sure motion detection is enabled. By default, the whole view is selected as area of interest. However, you can clear it with this button and specify the areas that you require. To stop drawing, click right mouse button. You can have more than one area if required. Also, you can specify arming schedule. In this case, we're going to do weekends only. In the linkage method, click Send Email if you want to receive email notifications, and Notify Surveillance Center if you want to receive push notifications in the app. Once done, hit Save. If you specified email notifications, you might want to add destination emails. You can do that under Network, Advanced Configuration, hit Email, and specify the destination address. Don't forget to hit Save once done. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment under this video or give us a call at 650-692-2001. You can also reach us via our website www.lengineers.com. Thank you.